Hi everyone, I'm Jane, and this is my husband Alex. When we moved from a small town to a big city, life changed in many ways.
Yes, the biggest challenge for us was communication. Speaking English naturally was not easy at all in the beginning.
So, we decided to start with simple, daily life conversations.
We practiced small sentences from our real-life situations.
Now, in every video, we share our real experiences with you.
Our goal is to help you learn English in a natural and easy way.
Today's conversation is about something happening in our home.
My brother is coming to stay with us. We will talk about how we discuss plans, feelings, and preparations in English.
These are simple sentences you can use in your daily life too. So let's start our conversation.
And learn English together with real moments from our life. Jane, I just got a call from my brother, and he sounded really excited.
Oh, really? What did he say? That made him so excited.
He told me that he is planning to come and stay with us this weekend.
That's wonderful. It feels like it has been such a long time.
Yes, almost a year has passed since we last met him.
I'm glad he's finally coming to visit us.
I was a little worried about telling you suddenly.
Don't worry at all. Family is always welcome.
Hearing that makes me feel relieved.
When exactly is he planning to arrive?
He said Saturday evening.
That gives us enough time to prepare everything.
Thank you for being so understanding.
Of course, we'll make him feel at home.
I'm really looking forward to his visit now.
How many days will your brother stay with us?
He's thinking of staying for 3 days.
That sounds perfect for spending time together.
Yes, we won't feel rushed at all.
Does he have any special habits we should know about?
Not really. He's very simple and easygoing.
That makes hosting much easier.
He does love homemade food, though.
That's good. I enjoy cooking for family.
He'll really appreciate your effort.
Food always brings people closer.
I completely agree with that.
I'll plan some nice meals for him.
Thank you, that means a lot.
I want this visit to be special.
We should start cleaning the guest room today.
Yes, the room needs fresh bed sheets and pillows.
I'll clear some space in the cupboard for him.
I'll clean the windows and mop the floor.
Thanks for helping so much.
We're doing this together, so it's fine.
I'll also bring extra blankets just in case.
That's thoughtful of you.
I want him to feel comfortable here.
A cozy room always helps with that.
The room already looks better.
A few final touches will make it perfect.
I'm glad we started early.
Me too. There's no stress now.
Everything is going smoothly.
What kind of food does your brother like the most?
He prefers simple homemade meals.
That's easy. I can prepare those.
He also enjoys evening tea with snacks.
I'll make sure we have snacks ready.
He's going to feel so pampered.
Guests should always feel cared for.
You always say the right thing.
I'm thinking of cooking something special on the first night.
That will make him feel loved.
Does he like spicy food?
Medium spice is perfect for him.
All right, I'll keep that in mind.
Everything is well planned now.
That makes me feel relaxed.
My brother's train will arrive around 6 in the evening.
Okay, I'll be ready before that time.
Should we go together to pick him up?
Yes, that would be more welcoming.
He'll be happy to see us both.
I'll prepare tea when we come back.
That sounds perfect after his journey.
You seem a bit nervous.
I'm just excited to see him.
That's completely natural.
Thanks for staying calm.
Everything is ready.
I can't wait anymore.
Just a little more patience.
This day feels special. I'm really glad you could finally come and have a meal with us like this.
I'm happy too. It feels good to sit together after such a long time.
How was your journey? You must be tired after traveling so much.
It was a bit long, but the excitement of meeting you made it easier.
You should eat properly now and relax.
The food smells amazing. Jane has done a great job.
Yes, she put in a lot of effort to make everything perfect for you.
Please thank her for me. This meal really feels like home.
I will. She'll be happy to hear that.
So how have things been going for you lately?
Life has been busy with work, but overall everything is going well.
That's good to hear. You always manage things calmly.
And what about you? How is your job treating you these days?
Work has been stressful, but I'm learning a lot from it.
Sometimes stress is part of growth, but you should also take breaks.
That's true. This visit itself feels like a break for me.
I'm glad our home can give you that comfort.
It really does. Sitting here and talking like this feels peaceful.
We should do this more often and not wait so long.
I agree. Family time like this is very important.
Let's promise to meet more regularly.
Deal. I'll make sure of it next time.
Your brother looks tired after the journey.
Yes, it was a long trip for him.
I've served dinner. He should relax now.
He's really enjoying the food.
That makes me happy.
He even asked for more.
That's a good sign then.
He praised your cooking a lot.
That's very kind of him.
He said he feels at home already.
That means a lot to me.
You did a great job today.
We both did.
The house feels warm tonight.
Yes, it really does.
My brother suggested going out tomorrow evening.
That's a great idea.
He wants to see the nearby park.
We can also visit a cafe afterward.
He likes peaceful places.
Then he'll enjoy that plan.
He seems really happy these days.
Family time has that effect.
I missed moments like these.
Me too. They feel special.
I'm glad he came.
I am glad as well.
Tomorrow will be fun.
I'm looking forward to it.
Let's rest now.
I can't believe he's leaving tomorrow.
Time really flew by.
The house felt so lively with him here.
Yes, his presence changed the atmosphere.
I'm glad he enjoyed his stay.
He thanked us many times.
That makes everything worth it.
Thank you for taking such good care of him.
His family, it's natural.
We should invite him again soon.
Definitely, I'd love that.
The house will feel quiet now.
But the memories will remain.
Yes, they always do.
I'm grateful for this time. If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps me create more helpful videos for you.